Sup everyone, this is Legend Okitha here and we're back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw a really cool design. So first, what you would want to do is to trace your hand out on a paper like this. Then you need to grab a couple of colors and do the following steps that I'm going to be showing you guys how to do. So let me just move my paper a little bit up. I would start at the bottom of the paper. Draw a straight line until the marker meets the hand, like that. Then once it meets the hand, I would draw an arch, like this, onto the other side. And then continue drawing a straight line onto the other end of the paper, other side of the paper. And then you would want to repeat the following all throughout the hand. Now I did my pattern throughout part of my hand. But now once you get up to your fingers, there's something that you need to do. So you don't just keep on doing the curve completely. So you start from the side of the paper as usual. Then do a small curve on just that one finger, just like that. And then do a completely straight line. Then do another curve on the other finger, completely straight line. Another curve when it hits the other finger. And do it like this for your whole hand. For all of your fingers. Just like that. And then I'll show you the final product. So I finished drawing my cool design, and as you can see, it looks like the hand is coming out of the paper. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon, because then you will never miss out on when I upload my next video. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.